Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I am going to show you how you can update your software in PC, which software you install. You can update any software you install on your PC. You can see there are many softwares available in my PC. You can update this software easily. So go to your Microsoft Store. You can see it's loading. From here, go to library, and here you can see all my apps installed in my PC. Here, go to update all. You can click get updates, or you can click update all. It will be update all your software which need to update. So I'm going to click update all. Now you can see my software is updated. My two software is updated. In this way you can easily update your software in PC. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.